Square root of 900. So I'm going to convert decimal number to fraction first. So I'm going to write square root of 9 over 100. Now I'm going to use the properties of radicals, and I'm going to write square root of 9 over square root of 100, where square root of 9 is equal 3 and square root of 100 is equal 10. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have cube root of 64. Okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this radical to the exponential form, and I'm going to have 64 raised to power 1/3. Why? Remember, anytime we have number or variable and there is no exponent, there is always invisible 1. This one becomes the numerator of my exponent, and index becomes denominator of my exponent. Next, I have to ask myself what number raised to power 3, the denominator is telling me what power I have to choose, is going to give me 64. 4 raised to the 3rd power gives me 64. 64 is equal to 4 to the 3rd power. Copy down the exponent. Okay? Because I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I can make fraction inside of the parentheses by making 3 over 1. Anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. That's why I'm going to have 4, 3 over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so I have 4 to the 1st, which is equal to 4. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at third example. I'm going to convert the radical to the exponential form. That's why I'm going to have minus 1 to power 1/5. The question is, what number raised to the 5th power is going to give me negative 1? The answer is negative 1. Okay? Because negative 1 raised to the 5th power is going to give me negative 1. So I'm going to add extra parentheses, I'm going to have 1/5. 5 and 5 will cancel out. Answer is negative 1. Let's take a look at another example. I have square root of 36 minus cube root of 27, negative 27. Now, square root of 36 is 6 minus cube root of negative 27 is negative 3. Negative times negative gives me positive, and I'm going to have 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. This is the solution to my problem.